Tiwari. It is my demo class to math for your academy. There is a topic from maths, ratio and proportion, and I selected a question from the topic ratio and proportion. The question is, if pencil costs 32 rupees per score and ball pen costs 25.20 rupees per dozen, find the ratio of the price of a pencil to that of a ball. So that is the question, and I solve it for my demo class. So firstly, we know that what is score and what is dozen. Then one score equals 20 unit, and 1 dozen equals 12 unit. So find the ratio of the price of a pencil. Price of a pencil. Then find the price of a pencil. Score means 20. Then 32. 20 pencils cost equals 32 rupees. Then one pencil cost equal 32 upon 20. I solve it. 4 5 is 20. 4 8 is 32. Then 8 upon 5. Okay. Next, we find that of a ball. We find a ball price. Then take it. Ball pen cost 25.20 raise per dozen. Then toy ball cost equals 25.20. Then one ball cost equal 25.20 upon 12. We place it and 0 and it is divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 carry it, and 2 six are 12. 2 six are 12 and 0 it, and there is 126 upon 60. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 just 6, 2 3 just 6. It is divided by, it is cut it by 3. 3 2 just 6, 3 1 are 3, 3 1 are 3, and equal 21 upon 10. Then ratio of the price of a pencil. Price of a pencil, there is price of a pencil and there is price of a ball. Then ratio of the ratio of a pencil and a ball equals 8 upon 5 ratio 21 on 10. Then 8 upon 5 ratio, it can be changed in divide. Then 21 upon 10. Then it is in lowest part. Then it multiplied by highest part. 8 multiplied by 10 and 5 multiplied by 21. Okay. And 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. And 16 upon 21. the ratio give it from it that 16 ratio 20n. It can be, we can change it in ratio portion. 16 ratio 21 is the answer of this question. Finally, I solve it. Thank you.